Hello friends, in this lecture we will study the next type of electronic instrument, that is auto transformer. Now the learning outcomes. Now after studying the auto transformer, student will be able to understand first what is auto transformer, then which are the different types of auto transformer, and which are the different applications of auto transformer. Now before going to start our auto transformer, first of all let's see what is transformer. Now a transformer or our conventional transformer is a static device which is used to convert high alternating voltage to low alternating voltage and vice versa, that is low alternating voltage to high alternating voltage. Means the our conventional transformer or our normal type of transformer which is having two separate windings, that is primary windings and secondary windings, are basically divided into two types, that is step up transformer and step down transformer. Now this is the picture of the normal type of transformer where the two windings are used, that is primary type of winding and secondary type of winding. And here the step up transformer or step down transformer just converts our high alternating voltage to low alternating voltage or low alternating voltage to high alternating voltage by keeping frequency constant. Means the time is constant, only amplitude will change. Now let's see the principal operation of the transformer. Now first of all, this picture shows the normal type of transformer which have total number of two windings, that is primary winding and secondary winding. Now the transformer or our conventional transformer works on the principle of mutual induction of two coils. Now when the current in the primary coil is changed, then the flux linked to the secondary coil will also change, and consequently an EMF is induced in the secondary coil. Now this is the principle of operation of the normal type of transformer or conventional type of transformer. Now let's see what is auto transformer. Now an auto transformer, or sometimes it is called as an auto step down transformer, is an electrical transformer with only one winding, and in an transformer portions of the same winding acts as a both the primary winding as well as secondary winding of the transformer. Means if we compare our conventional type of transformer and auto type of auto transformer, then one important difference is that the conventional transformer has separate primary winding and secondary winding, but the auto transformer is a special type of transformer which uses only one winding, and in auto transformer that same winding will act as a primary winding as well as the secondary winding. That is the main difference between the normal type of transformer and the auto transformer. Now which are the different types of auto transformer? Now the auto transformers are basically divided into two types, that is first one is step down auto transformer and second one is step up auto transformer. Now let's see the working of first type of auto transformer, that is step down auto transformer. Now to understand the working of the step down auto transformer, only one winding is used. Here V1 which is connected with the single phase AC supply, and V2 is the voltage across the load. Means our V1 is the input side and or V1 is the input voltage, while V2 is the output side or output voltage. Now the two fixed terminals, that is A and B, are connected to the single phase AC supply, that is V1. So the winding AB acts as a primary winding, and here N1 is the total number of turns corresponding to the primary winding, that is AB. And the other part of the winding, that is winding CB, acts as the secondary winding across which the load is connected, and N2 is the number of turns corresponding to the secondary windings, that is CB. Now an auto transformer in which N1, that is total number of turns of primary winding, are greater than that of N2, that is total number of turns of secondary. Means in other words we can say that if suppose total number of primary windings are greater than that of our secondary winding, then this type of auto transformer is called as an step down auto transformer. Now this principle is same as that of our conventional type of transformer, because for conventional type of transformer also, if suppose total number of primary windings are greater than that of the total number of secondary windings, then that type of transformer is called as an step down transformer. And same principle is applied here, that is when N1, that is primary windings, are greater than N2, that is secondary winding, then this type of transformer is called as an step down auto transformer. And a step down auto transformer is a transformer which converts the high alternating voltage to the low alternating voltage. That's why it is called as an step down auto transformer. The operation of principle of auto transformer is same as that of our conventional transformer. Therefore, the load voltage for this configuration is given by, that is V2, which is equals to N2 by N1 into V1, where N2 is the number of turns corresponding to secondary winding, that is CB, and N1 is the total number of turns corresponding to the primary winding, that is AB, and V1 is the single phase AC supply. So for this step down auto transformer, when you calculate the output voltage, then your output voltage, that is V2, or the load voltage V2, which is equals to total number of turns of the secondary upon total number of turns of the primary into V1, which is single phase AC supply. Now this is the principle of working of step down auto transformer. Now let's see the working of next type of auto transformer, that is step up auto transformer. Now to understand the working of step up auto transformer, only one winding is used. Now V1 is the single phase AC supply voltage and V2 is our output voltage or the load voltage. Now here the CB, that is full winding CB, acts as an primary winding, where N1 is the total number of turns of the primary windings, and winding AB means full winding, that is AB, is acts as an secondary winding, and N2 are the total number of turns of the secondary windings. Now if you observe here, then the N2 is greater than that of our N1, that is total number of turns of the secondary are greater than that of our total number of turns of primary. Same as that of our conventional type of transformer or normal type of transformer, when the total number of windings of secondary are greater than that of the total number of turns of the primary, then this type of transformer is called as a step up transformer. And same principle is applied here. So here also the N2 is greater than N1, so this type of auto transformer is called as a step up auto transformer. And a step up auto transformer is a transformer which converts the low alternating voltage to high alternating voltage. Means the input, that is V1, will be low and at the output, that is V2, will be high. Means it converts our low alternating voltage to the high alternating voltage. That's why this type of auto transformer is called as an step up auto transformer. As the working of the step up auto transformer is same as that of our conventional step up transformer. So the load voltage, that is V2, is same, that is N2 by N1 into V1. Now where N2 is the total number of turns of the secondary winding and N1 is the total number of turns of the primary winding and V1 is the single phase AC supply voltage. Now when you calculate, or how to calculate your load voltage or output voltage, you can calculate it by using this formula, that is V2, which is equals to N2 by N1 into V1. Now this is the working of the step up auto transformer. Now how to differentiate between step down auto transformer and step up auto transformer? Now in case of step down auto transformer, the total number of primary windings are greater than that of the secondary windings. That's why that type of auto transformer is called as a step down auto transformer. And in case of step down auto transformer, it converts the high alternating voltage to the low alternating voltage. But if we think about the step up auto transformer, then it is clear that is total number of secondary windings are greater than that of the total number of primary windings. And in case of step up auto transformer, it converts the low alternating voltage to the high alternating voltage. Now this is the main difference between the step down auto transformer and the step up auto transformer. Now which are the different applications of the auto transformer? First, it can be used as an variac. Variac is nothing but variable AC supply, means we can vary the AC supply by using the auto transformer. And that type of auto transformer is also called as a variable auto transformer. Then in order to start AC machines such as induction motors or synchronous motor, we can use our auto transformer. And we can also use our auto transformer in the application of dimmer stat. Now what is dimmer stat? A dimmer stat is an auto transformer which is generally connected to the AC supply and produces either step up or step down output. And the secondary voltage for the dimmer stat is again same, that is V2, which is equals to N2 by N1 into V1. So these are the various applications of the auto transformers. Thank you.